Hello kings and queens, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I share a snap on my Snapchat without it showing camera roll. First you go on your Snapchat and then you send a picture or whatever you want to send into your friend's account, or if you have a second account you send it to that friend or your second account, and then when you finish loading, you save it to your camera roll. You press and hold and press save to camera roll. After that, you go back and then you go into your Snapchat setting. So when you get to your Snapchat setting, you click onto the memory. You will see a memory there. You could watch underneath. You see memory. So after you click on memory, it will take you to this page, and from there you click on import snap from camera roll. When you click on it, you will see the picture that you save already from your friend or your other snap. Import it and then you go back to your normal snap. So when you go back to your normal snap, you're going to swipe up just like the way you're going to add stories or pictures to your Snapchat. So when you add, you see recently added, and from there you choose the one that you already choose, and make sure you edit it. If you want to edit your snap, you can write anything you want to write, whatever. Don't mind my picture is portrait because I took it from the camera, so you can edit it any way that you like, and then when you're done you post it. This is how you post your Snapchat, that your pictures from your Snapchat that you won't show any from camera roll or like 5 days ago, 1 year ago. It will not show that. It will show as if it's just been done. So after you do that, you share to your story. You can share with your friends, anything that you want to do. So I'm going to show you guys how it comes up as. So I'm going to go back and go to my story and let you guys see how it comes up at. You'll see it says 1 second. Snap added 1 second ago. So that's what everybody will see. They will not see any camera roll. They will not see anything, like that. Thank you so much for watching.